change the look of the front home page. At the moment you can see it's a standard text page, but if you wanted to add different features to this page and customize it a bit more, you need to go to Edit Page across the top. I'm currently logged in as admin, which is why this bar has appeared. I click on Edit Page, and as the page appears, you'll notice on the right hand side you have something called Page Attributes. In order to make sure that this is run through widgets rather than just a visual text page, you'll need to change the template from default template to business template. Once you've clicked that, you need to update. This won't immediately change any look on the page. In order to then start editing it from into various elements using the widgets, you need to go into Appearance. Across the top you'll see Widgets. Once you've entered this page, you'll see now that you have business top sidebar, business middle left sidebar, and so on. And these are the elements that make up that front template. Now, in order to edit the top sidebar, I want to put in, and I will add in this case, some text. So I scroll through, I can click it and drag it up till I reach the top sidebar. I'm going to put that there, and I've just copied some text over, and I'm going to put welcome. Now I will click Save. The important part is to maintain paragraphs. Make sure that you've clicked automatically add paragraphs, and let's click Save again. And now to view the front page, you'll see that that one text has appeared. Let's see what happens when we add another widget. So at this stage I'm going to go back to widgets here again, quick access. And to show you a bit more, I'm going to add in something called fun facts. So if I scroll up and add this again to the top sidebar, but this time I'm going to place it underneath the welcome, and you'll see I get a section here. Now I want to make sure that I change each one. So what I want to do is I'm going to put 95 here and course started, and I need to fill in all of these. Now that I've filled in all of the areas that I want, I'm going to click Save, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, I now suddenly have this course started. I can add a title into the widget, as you can see. When I click on the top sidebar, you can see I can add a title. So let's put last month, and that will then appear. If I want to add various featured pages on this, then what I need to do is add in TG services. So I'm going to go here and add this up to the top, and again I'm going to add it into that thing so it all flows through the page, and I'm going to add it between the two. And you see here I can select the courses, the pages that I want. So at the moment I've only got 3 pages, and then you can link the featured image as well. Now you'll need to add featured images to each page to do that. So let's save it for now, and as you can see I then have this. Now to add an image so that each of these have an image that goes with it, what we need to do is we need to edit the pages. So what we're going to do is to go into the dashboard, because we need to edit each page individually. I then click on all pages. I'll select courses. And then here you'll see right down the bottom you can set a featured image, and you can select any one that you want. So let's go with this image I've already uploaded. I'm going to set the featured image that now appears here, and always click update. Once that's done, let's go and have a look at what's happened. So as you can see, an image has now appeared. To edit this text here, you need to go back into the page. So I've gone back into the courses page, and at the moment it's just pulling the top text. So to add my own, I can add an excerpt. So we're going to come up here, make sure excerpt is selected in your screen options, and then type in courses for all and you will then update it. When I click back, you'll now see that it's taken the text from the excerpt instead, and you can tailor each page to do this. Thank you.